Hello everybody, it's Lisa and Joy back again with another Show Me the Yarn. Today's episode is all about, and we're going to call it the Elah cardigan by Isabell Kraemer. This is the sample that Jackie made with this gorgeous,
absolutely beautiful
repeat down here.
And show the back of the neck because it's really lovely. I love this kind of V. Just V, it's really beautiful.
Super,
really
and
beautiful.
Everything just falls over the shoulder and drapes really, really beautifully. This is a very special yarn. It is a Mano Warmi, and we're going to show you that option, but we're also going to talk about a few alternatives for you too.
Yeah.
So
this
Warmi.
Yeah, alpaca Warmi. It's 70% alpaca with 30% wool. Let me see. This color is color 6026. Just look at this beautiful blue because we've been missing a blue in it. This is my color. This is really beautiful. Now you could also go for a more economical because this is kind of special. And this is no less special, but it's much more economical. So this is the Reborn, which has come in and gone out so many times here. So it's really popular, knits up really well. This is color 22, which is the grey. And it would be really lovely in it.
I'll give you one little turn
again
before I show you this. Jackie has extra long arms, so the sleeves are nice and cozy down here. And this is the third size that I'm wearing, just for reference.
Yeah.
So two more alternatives that you could use. We just really like the idea of this Senfnug Natur for it. Extra cozy, extra nice.
Be really nice.
And that is shade 7107. And then another bit with a tweed detail, I think could sit nicely. What the alpaca gives this though is the drape.
The drape.
The drape. So you have to bear in mind when you are choosing your yarn what you're going to get from that. Now you can always block your lace a little bit more and get a little bit more drape.
You could.
So that gives you the option of using BC Garn Hamilton Tweed 1 and this lovely soft lilac shade is colour 29. If you have any questions about this design, we do have a kit up on the website using several different shades of a Mano in Warmi. But if you can send us, drop us a comment below or send us a message and we can help you figure out how many of the alternatives you would need if you like some of these options.
Yeah. And do one last twirl because I think this is just really, really beautiful and it's like a hug.
Thank you.